Aim. How to validate data. An error message should pop up if mobile number is less than 10 or greater than 10 digits. Select the cells, go to Data, then Data Tools, Data Validation.
Settings, then choose text length equal to 10.
You can even choose Error Alert Message. Say please check the number of digits. Voila! Endless uses of data validation. Excel can display an error message when a user enters invalid data. It can prompt the list of values to be entered in a drop-down format, and so on.
Now here, a data entry operator can enter the error type and status corresponding to the job number using data validation drop-down list. And here is how. First, select the column, go to Data, Data Tools, Data Validation. Here, instead of any value, choose from the list, and source, you have to select the source where you have the enter the error types. Here it is. So these are our error types. So select these and hit OK. See. So first is say this error. Suppose this is process error, and so on and so forth. The other method is again select the column, go to Data, same Data Tools, Data Validation, and again choose List. Now that we have only 3 entries, we can just type in them. Say status is first is completed, second is in progress, third is say pending. And click OK. So here we have it's completed. The second one is pending. This is in process, in progress, and so on and so forth. Hope you liked the video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.